In this video of MeasureSquare Mobile for Android phone, we will be going over how to create and apply a couple of products, including carpet and wall base. You can create a new product by tapping on the products icon at the bottom left of your screen. Select Add New Product. The Create Product window will pop up. Here you can add the details for your new product. You can start with the title of your product, followed by the type of product, This is where you can choose from a variety of products to create, including roll goods, hardwoods, tile, wall base, transitions, and labor charges. We will leave it as carpet for now. Select the measurement unit and enter the product's roll width and roll length. If you are working with the patterned carpet, you can include the horizontal and vertical repeats. Add your sales and cost price. Once you are done entering the remaining details, you can select Done, exit this menu, and return to the home screen. Now that we have created our product, we can apply it to our rooms. To apply products to your takeoff, you must access the product catalog. Start by tapping on the products icon at the bottom center. Tap on Products Catalog. In the Products Catalog panel, you can find a preset list of products, organized by type, ranging from carpet, tile, wood, wall base, labor charges, all the way down to erasers. Let's add in a roll good and wall base. Tap on a product to access the Assign window. Tap on the room you wish to apply this product to, then tap Done. Here you will find the rooms listed. Tap on the room you wish to apply the product to, then tap Done. To apply a product to all rooms, tap on the box at the top right to apply to all rooms, then tap Done. Repeat these steps until you have applied all the products into your desired rooms. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to see more videos like this. Happy measuring!